To print shipping labels in Shopify, start by navigating to the Orders section of your Shopify dashboard. Click on the order for which you want to print a shipping label. Then click on the More Actions drop-down menu and select By Shipping Label. Next, select the shipping carrier and package details for your order. Make sure to choose the correct shipping service and package type to ensure accurate rates and delivery times. You can also add any additional shipping options, such as signature upon delivery or insurance. Once you have selected your shipping options, review the shipping label details to ensure everything is correct. Check the shipping address, package weight, and shipping carrier to avoid any errors. If everything looks good, click the Buy Shipping Label button to purchase the label. After purchasing the label, click on the Print Shipping Label button to print the label. You can print the label on a standard printer or a thermal label printer. Depending on your setup, make sure to use the correct label size and layout to ensure the label prints correctly. To set up a thermal label printer in Shopify, go to the Settings section of your Shopify dashboard and click on Shipping. Click on the Shipping Labels tab and select the Thermal Label Printer option. Follow the instructions to connect your thermal label printer to Shopify and print your shipping labels. It is also a good idea to test your shipping label setup by printing a test label. This will ensure that your labels are printing correctly and that you are using the correct label size and layout. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily print shipping labels in Shopify and streamline your shipping process.